Good morning, my name is Claire Shelton, and I'm going to be taking you all on a day in the life of being a student here at the University of Idaho. All right, so I'm still in the middle of getting ready, but I thought I would share a little bit about myself. I am a senior here at the University of Idaho, and I am a double major. I'm animal science pre-vet as well as medical sciences, and then I'm double minoring in pre-health and microbiology. I am currently a member of Kappa Alpha Theta. That's my living situation. That's where I'm at right now. I also am really involved on campus. I serve as an animal veterinarian food science or AVFS peer mentor. I'm also a part of the Honors College and serve as a peer mentor. I'm a part of Panhellenic. I'm serving as the Panhellenic President right now. If you don't know what Panhellenic is, it's like the overarching leadership over the sororities. And so we have 10 sororities here on campus. And then Panhellenic, there's the executive officer team that kind of oversees it, puts on events, community programmings, education, different things like that. Oh, I also work in a research lab under Dr. Mitchell. One great thing about the University of Idaho is if you want to get involved in research, it is possible. I actually got this connection from one of my sorority sisters, but a lot of people just email a professor and they can get into research right away. It truly is a research university because anyone who wants to get involved always finds a way. And it's a really great opportunity, you know, especially if your major is something that aligns with doing research, to really get some hands-on opportunities and learn some new things. And especially because I feel like being a part of research really helps you learn that you're capable of much more than you ever think that you would be able to be. So a little breakdown of what is happening today. All my classes right now have been Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and my labs are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Being a science major, you get lots of labs. But today I have my organic chemistry 2 lab. So that should be fun. And then after that, I'm going into my undergraduate research to do some slicing, and I can explain a little bit more of that later. And then I have, as a part of being Panhellenic, I have our weekly exec meetings for our executive board. And then we have a delegate meeting tonight where basically there's representation from each chapter. We discuss different things that are happening. Tonight we're voting on some bylaws and recruitment rules as recruitment's coming up. And then I will probably be spending all those gaps and my evenings studying and trying to get things done ahead of time so that way I'm ready for the week and I'm not rushing to get things done at last second. All right, fit check, shirt, Vandal store, jeans, Old Navy, shoes, Vans. Now I'm ready for the day. All right, now I'm off to my OChem lab and it's so pretty outside today. Now I'm at a lab. I got the nice goggle lines and I'm gonna get lunch. Just got greeted by an Easter bunny. I'm in a taco nacho bar for lunch. Next, I'm heading into my lab for undergraduate research. All right, I'm now in my lab, and right now there is a fish embryo in here, and I use this machine to cut really thin layers, and we're looking at the eyes, so I wait till I get to the front, so that way we could put them on little glass slides and look at them under a microscope. So I will now be doing that for the next couple of hours. All right, now quick break in the day, and we're heading to Red Star. Woo! This is my drink. It's the Cadbury egg thing. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
So good. All right, we're doing a second fish check of the day because I'm now off to my Panhellenic exec meeting and then delegate meeting. And for these delegate meetings, it is business casual. So I got this top from Target. It's my Kate Spade collection. I got these pants from Marshalls and these shoes from Food Shop, but they are also at Target. And then of course I have my little name badge because I'm serving as Panhellenic President. Now I got breakfast for dinner. This is the whole spread. I promise it's just my meal that's boring and it's actually really good.
Sorry.
This is everyone. We had our exec meeting. And it's a beautiful day out here. All right, now we're at the Panhellenic delegate meeting. We have all of our Panhellenic exec and delegates here. All right, I'm settling down for the night now. It's been a busy day, but I took off makeup, at least most of it. I always miss a little bit. And I'm going to check on my emails, do some homework on my computer, and just try to get stuff done before I go to bed, because it's about 10 o'clock at night and I feel like I'm just now getting a break. Today was a very busy day. I promise there's other days where I spend more time studying, but Tuesdays are definitely my meetings and going from thing to thing. All right, it is almost midnight and I finished up on my homework, so I'm going to head to bed now. Thank you for following along on my day in the life as a student at the University of Idaho. Every day is different here at the University of Idaho. It could be days where, you're going from class to class, or days where you are, studying all day, and there's so many events on campus that keep you engaged as well. I hope you enjoyed this. I also hope that you go to the University of Idaho if you're not already. It has seriously been the best place ever to find my best friends, to receive the academic support from professors and faculty, and overall just finding my home. And so I hope that you really get a glimpse into what it's like into being a Vandal, and know that this community is here for you. Go Vandals! V's up!